is a unboxing of the Gleim Exam Prep Redefined package. This is actually the premium package that you receive of the low price of $12.49, I think it is on the website. $1,249. Yeah, that's what you get right there. It's yeah. Anyway, so this is the box they send you after you order it. But Kitty, come on now. All right. Well, anyway, 1 second. All right, there we go. So this is the box you get. Comes in the mail 2-3 days later. In addition to this, you get access to their test bank online. You get access to their test essays, test prep, all kinds of things that are online. I'm not affiliated with Gleim in any way, but when I was looking to purchase this, I saw the $1,000 price tag, and I thought, wow, I really wish someone would do an unboxing video and give me some information on what you actually get, because Gleim was really, they didn't really tell you much on the website. And I even emailed them, and they responded with really vague responses, like, oh, hey, Zach, why don't you give us a call and we'll discuss it a little further. And I'm like, yeah, I'm not trying to talk to a salesperson here. I'm just trying to figure out what I get with this, $1,000 that I'm spending. So, hey, here's the unboxing. This is what you're going to get when you write them a check for $1,249. Da-da-da-da! Wow, look at that. And like any other cat in the world, they want to jump in the box. So here you are, the Gleim Exam Prep Backpack. Wow, look at that. That is fancy. That's worth the $12.49 right there, I'd say. Going forward, we have a pamphlet. Okay. Yeah, that's phenomenal. Okay. Oh, all right, so $25 off if I refer a friend to pay $12.49 for this exact item. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Going forward, we have a excuse me, Kitty. Excuse me. Kitty! Thank you. Please and thank you. Alright, thank you. We have the Gleim Succeeded. How to Succeed in Accounting. Well, alright. We can go through that quick. It's a pretty small booklet. Just some really useless stuff here. Seems just like something to pack up your gift bag with to make it seem like you weren't getting screwed when you spent, almost $1,300. So yeah, that's a little useless right there. I do like the package though. I mean, it's great from the looks of it, I guess I would say. It looks like a $1,249 type of item until you open it. And well, here's your last two things. This is it. I mean, that's what you get. There's 2 books here, the Part 1 and Part 2. Financial Reporting, Planning, Performance, and Control. And Financial Decision Making. Those are the 2 tests. 1 book for each. And like I said, this is just the physical items that you receive when you get this. Come on, Kitty. When you get this package. There's a lot of online access you get. Not the book, not the book. Don't scratch my stuff. Alright, anyway, so here we go. That's about all I have for you right now. These books are rather large, so they are kind of worth the money, I'd say. And yeah, I know, Kitty. One thing I wanted to share is there's ways to get these things a lot cheaper. The retail price is $12.49, like I said 100 times now, I think. But then there's a 10% off that you can get just by Googling it, Gleim 10% off. And that's like the stock percentage off that everybody can get. And then there's the student discount, which was 25% off. Just have to prove you're a student using your student email address, I think. And then I was waiting for something bigger than that, because this is a big purchase. So just recently they offered a 30% off the entire package, and I had to jump on that. And you get 30% off your test that you take and your registration with the IMA. So with all that together, it's the best I've seen in a while. So I decided to jump on it. This is a good deal at the end of the day. I mean, the CMA review, you're gonna need something to study with, and this is kind of the highest rated thing right now. Gleim in that, and CMA stands for Certified Management Accountant. My gosh, I was at the hospital the other day with some books, and they said CMA review, And the nurse came up to me like, oh my gosh, my sister's studying for the CMA, Certified Medical Assistant. I hope you do well. And I just, what did you just say to me, woman? So yeah, okay, yeah. I'm not even gonna correct you. Because I'm an accountant. I'm not a certified medical assistant. Anyway, this is the video I wanted to just kind of, show you guys what you get. So, maybe you want to dive into it and spend that $1,200, maybe you don't. The next video I have will kind of show you how you get this way cheaper. Like I said, 30% off, but at the end of the day, you can get this for free. And that's exactly what I'm doing. It's perfectly legit. It's a little work on your end. And it's not some BS like, oh, well, in 5 years, when you're CMA certified, it'll pay for itself. No. You can get this for free. You pay for it up front, you'll get the money back. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. And this is Zazzles. She says hello. And this is Zach. I'm an accountant. And this is my video. Y'all have a good night. If you want to learn how to get this crap for free, leave me a comment, like the video, and the next one I show will show you exactly how to do that, guys. Alright, take care.